The CBX 1000 was released as Honda's flagship in 1978. The air-cooled inline six-cylinder engine has a capacity of 1,047 cubic centimeters and uses DOHC-4 valves. In addition, the inline five-cylinder engine was also used in the Accord Inspire released in 1989 despite being four-wheeled. Although the car is a front-wheel drive car, the engine is mounted vertically, and there are many other interesting things besides the engine itself. Some media outlets say that Honda has filed a new patent for an inline six-cylinder cafe racer motorcycle. While the original CBX didn't come in cafe racer style from the factory, it did show off a gorgeous inline six-cylinder engine. Honda's patent drawing shows a stripped-down cafe racer-type engine with a short, clip-on style handlebar. The style is very retro. A small bikini fairing and a three-pointed exhaust adorn each side of the engine. However, the most interesting part is probably the inline six-cylinder engine. The patent drawing shows an engine with three cylinders on each side. A large radiator is visible at the front of the engine, so it appears to be liquid-cooled. The center section of this motorcycle appears to have an airbox. This airbox is located just below and in front of the rider's seat. That's interesting. While the application and images are very attractive, there is no guarantee that this bike will be produced. Only a part of the engine components shown in the app will be manufactured. The bike shown could be for reference only. It could also be that none of what is shown in the app will be produced. However, if the machine or even the engine does materialize, it would be an encouraging development.